Mariel S. Season. Coach Jamel Salibio Batingaw. Come on down! Bilis, bilis! Kapag wala na dyan, kahit sino, taga magsaysay. In 1, 2, 3, wala na. 6th place from Bagong Sikat Elementary School, Santa Cruz. Adrian Cortez, Coach Marlene Martinez, ang Paradas. 5th place from San Jose Pilot Elementary School, Jeremy Ramos. Coach Jane Ann Danseco, ang Pandurukan. 4th place, Hilltop Elementary School, Angelica Padernal. Jericho Restore, Coach ang Gulod. 3rd place, Kaminawit Central School, Gabriel Tabor. Coach Amelita Obrique, ang Padaraw. 2nd place, Pitugo Elementary School, Lance Gabriel Dominic Sopetran. Coach Cheryl Lopez, ang Pitugo. And the RSPC qualifier, Sablayan Central School, Adele Rain Pulma. Coach Rande Vallejo, The Pride. Yan. Hanapin ang pwesto. Alright. Ayan, Sir Randy, RSPC qualifier. And go! Yan, pakibigay na ang kanilang certificate. Sir Randy, nasaan ka na? Okay. Sige, ladies, pwede na kayong bumalik sa ano. Yan. Ups, doon po ang baba. Ayan, may crying mood pa. Parang ako noon. Hindi ko po inabot dyan. Let's move on to Filipino Secondary. Nag-iinit ako. 7th place, High School, John Ron Abuna. Coach Oliver Dicena, ang Sulo. 6th place, Manoo National High School, Kyle Canta. Coach Jomar Nidoy, ang Kabukiran. 5th place, Paluan National High School, Jaimar Enriquez. Coach Jen B. Nunez, ang Balintanaw. 4th place, Pedro Timinjan Sr. Himala National High School, Eugene Raminta. Coach George Nidoy, The Voice. 3rd place, Sablayan National Comprehensive High School, John Paul Omega. Coach Elar Ariel Sabon, ang Punyal. 2nd place, Mapaya National High School, Leslie Villarreal. Coach Sarah Bailon, ang Paya. In the qualifier, RSPC Magsaysay National High School, ang Angel John Tibera. Coach Ramon Montia, ang Bahag Huli. Congratulations! Yan. And pakibigay na po ladies ang kanilang medals and certificate. Yan. Congratulations! Sports writer. Oh. Thank you and congratulations. Let's move on to English category level. 7th place from Abra de Ilog. Yay! Abra de Ilog Central School, Abra de Ilog District. Jamir Vince Beliano. Coach Alma Reyes Ang Iraya. 6th place from Magsaysay Central School, Magsaysay District, Sid Christoph Orsos. Coach Jocelyn Dr. Angsina. 5th place from Sablayan. Parang mali ito. Sablayan South, Sir Laling Jeremy De La Cruz. Taga South, di ba ito? Randy Vallejo, the flight. Sir Randy. South, Charles Damian. Coach Amelita Obrique Padarao. 3rd place, New Dagupan Elementary School, Prince Joaquim D. Alcones. Coach Eman Panya Ang Uhay. 2nd place, San Jose Pilot Elementary School, San Jose East, Adrian Casabal. Coach Jane Ann Danseco Ang Pandurukan. And of course, the 1st place in the RSPC qualifier mula sa saan kaya? Payumpong San Elementary School, Mamburao District. Christine Gel Hitones. Coach Joas Sandino Alcoide, the Eastern Tribune. Congratulations! Yan! Wow! Okay, pakibigay na po ladies and merons, mga moms. Yan! Okay! Congratulations! Oops. 7th place, Santa Cruz National High School, Xavier Christian D. Toscano. Coach John Harold Gabriel, Talabasi Chronicles. Yan. 6th place, Magsaysay National High School, William Anthony Tubera. Coach Alvin Cajao, The Rainbow Connections. 5th place, Manuot National High School, Rizal District, Renz Angeles. Coach Jomar Nidoy Ang Pabukiran. 4th place, Occidental Mindoro National High School, Steven Daniel Rotor. Coach John Christopher Romero, mga Bugel. 3rd place, parang promise ng school na to Mapaya National High School, Sheila Secreto. Coach Sara Bailon Ang Paya. 2nd place, from Holy Family Academy, San Jose North, Wells Salorate Ferrer, Coach Romel Maliksi, The Herald, and the champion and RSPC qualifier from Divine Word College of San Jose East, Cristel Jean Fonoliera, Coach Rosana Estepa, ang Divine Lens. Alright, congratulations! Ang ating champion from Divine Word College of San Jose. Okay. Congratulations! Okay. Okay. Thank you and congratulations. Yan. Now let's move on.
Okay, let's move to the next category. Ang susunod po na kategorya ay Science and Health Writing. Filipino category, elementary level. 7th place from Siete Central Elementary School, San Jose North District, Klein E. Habaga. Advisor Glenda M. Mateo Angabaldon. 6th place from Baclaran Elementary School, Santa Cruz District, Coach Venus Joy U. Toriana. Ang pangalan na nakalagay ay Angabaldon. Sino po kaya ito? School paper, Karindan. 5th place from Purnaga Elementary School, Magsaysay District, Gladeline S. Tayo. Coach Gladys M. Galeha, ang Uhay. 4th place from Ligaya Elementary School, Sablayan South District, Mara Altea G. Buison. Coach Mercy Dawa. School paper, Butas Bilio. 3rd place from Labangan Iling Elementary School, San Jose South District, Emergent P. Prado. Coach Chena May V. Barrios, Basungan. 2nd place, Abra de Hilo Central School, Abra de Hilo District, Iran Roy C. Dimayakyak. Coach Lira Jane C. De Mesa, ang Iraya. And the RSPC qualifier for Science and Technology Writing, Filipino category, elementary level, from San Jose Pilot Elementary School, San Jose East District, Maria Tricia B. Tanyala. Coach Elena Tugade, ang Pandurukan. Ulitin ko po ang result. 7th place, Klein Habaga. 6th place, Anga Baldon. 5th place, Gladeline S. Dayo. 4th place, Mara Altea Buison. 3rd place, Emergent Prado. 2nd place, Iran Roy C. Dimayakya. 1st place, Maria Tricia P. Tanyala. Okay, pakibigay na po ang kanilang awards and medals and certificates. Secondary level. 7th place, Magsaysay National High School, Princess L. Galera. Coach Joel Lacuesta, ang bahaghari. 6th place, Mapaya National High School, Mabel V. G. Vargas. Coach Sarah May Bailon, ang Paya. 5th place, Kalintaan National High School, Maika T. Laksamana. Coach Eleanor Hasmin, ang Sulo. Fourth place, Rizal National High School. Charmaine D. Paz, Coach Jomelyn Orkin. School paper Ang Panitig. And third placer, Sablayan National Comprehensive High School. Erlyn Shay Mendoza, Coach Angel Lu Bulagay. Ang Punyal. Second place, San Jose North District. Wala pong nakasulat na school. Carla Naiza Osala, Coach Twinkle Joy Enilda, The Herald. And the RSPC qualifier for this year's Science and Health Writing Filipino category secondary level from Kaminawit National High School. Marion Invento, Coach Jean Aguilar Arellano, ang ACLA. Kalaksamana, fourth place Charmaine D. Paz, third place Erlyn Shay Mendoza, second place Carla Naiza Osala, and first place and RSPC qualifier Marlon Invento. Okay, thank you and congratulations. Category, Science and Health Writing Elementary English category. Seventh place, Kalitan National High School. Pauline Kate G. Lopez, Coach Joy Ulay, The Centralites. Sixth place, Labangan Iling, San Jose South. Andre Naitan B. Fabular, Coach Chayla May Barrios. School paper, Pasungan. Fifth place, Magsaysay Central School, Magsaysay District. Denise Julia Ramona B. Kilit, Coach Freely Faith Francisco, Sinag. Fourth place, San Agustin Elementary School, San Jose North District. Liam and Dane C. Heder, Coach Eloisa May Daili, ang Suba. Third place, Ligaya Elementary School from Sablayan South District. CL B. Landok, Coach Mercy Dawa, ang Butas Pilio. Second place, Buena Vista Elementary School, Sablayan North District. Mina Maria J. De Jesus, Coach Jennifer Catalino, ang Dugoy. And the RSPC qualifier, the champion, Pag-asa Central School, San Jose West District, Martina Grace E. Baray, Coach Mona Lisa Valdeza. School paper, Ang Bagong Pag-asa. Ulitin ko po ang mga nag-login para sa Science and Health Writing English category elementary level. Seventh place, Pauline Kate Lopez, Ramona Pilit. Fourth place, Liam and Rainy Hiner. Third place, Siniel B. Landok. Second place, Mina Maria De Jesus. And the first place is Martina Grace E. Baral. Pakibigay na po ang kanilang mga awards, certificates and medals. Okay, thank you. And congratulations. Okay, hindi pa po last, ano? Meron pang isa. Secondary English category, Science and Health Writing. Seventh place, Magsaysay National High School. Hannah Sofia Palunsong, Rowena Candelario Coach, The Rainbow Connection. Sixth place, San Jose Adventist Academy, Lance M. Argelius, Coach Cindy Celeste Nariro. Fifth place, Mapaya National High School, San Jose West District, Junicar Binagen. Coach Laarne Palasigi, ang Paya. 4th place, Rizal National High School, Rizal District, Emmanuel Ray C. Pionello. Coach Jovelyn Orkin, ang Palitik. 3rd place, Caminawin National High School, Celine M. Pelagio. Coach Maria Belinda Monar, The Anchor. 2nd place, Kalintaan National High School, Oda Mahane. Coach Josephine Alvarez, ang sunod. And the RSPC qualifier, the champion, Ray K. T. Robles, Occidental Victoria National High School, Natural District. Coach Beatrice Masika, School Patron, mga Butlo. I repeat, sige po, pakibigay na po ang kanilang certificates of medal. Okay? Thank you and congratulations.